Welcome to our channel. Transferring Bitcoin between exchanges is straightforward when you follow these steps carefully to ensure your funds arrive safely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on Deposit and search for Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency list. Step 2. Copy your Bitcoin deposit address from Binance. Verify that you've selected the correct network, typically Bitcoin, BTC, mainnet. Write down or screenshot this address for reference. Step 3. Log in to your Coinbase account and go to the Send Receive section. Click Send and select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Step 4. Paste the Binance Bitcoin address into the recipient field. Double-check every character of the address to ensure accuracy, as sending to the wrong address results in permanent loss of funds. Step 5. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Coinbase will show you the network fee and the total amount that will be deducted from your account. Review these details carefully. Step 6. Complete any security verifications required by Coinbase, such as two-factor authentication codes. This protects your account from unauthorized transfers. Step 7. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. Bitcoin transfers typically require multiple network confirmations and can take 10 to 60 minutes. Track the transaction using the provided transaction ID on a blockchain explorer. Step 8. Check your Binance wallet to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. The deposit will appear in your spot wallet once the required number of confirmations is reached. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.